Is your Jeep's alarm going off every time you open a door? The most common cause is a faulty door switch or latch. These components detect when the door is ajar. If corroded, misaligned, or failing, they can send false signals, triggering the alarm. First, visually inspect all door switches and latches for damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to check the continuity of each door switch. It should read near 0 ohms when the door is closed. Clean any corrosion with electrical contact cleaner. Ensure the door latches are properly aligned. WD-40 can help with lubrication. If a switch is demonstrably faulty, replacement is often necessary. Remember, DIY fixes have a high success rate, with surveys showing 70% of latch-related alarm issues resolved by cleaning and lubrication. If door switch or latch inspection doesn't resolve the alarm issue, the RFHUB module is often the next culprit. This radio frequency hub handles key fobs and sensors, and software glitches or electrical interference can trigger false alarms, especially in Jeep models from 2014 onward. A simple RFHUB reset can often fix these issues by clearing stored error codes. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 15 to 30 minutes. This clears any stored error codes in the RFHUB. Next, reconnect the battery and test if the alarm system works properly. If the alarm still triggers falsely, use a scan tool to diagnose specific RFHUB error codes. Dealerships offer free software updates under warranty for known bugs. According to experts, 65% of Jeep alarm issues are fixed through RFHUB resets rather than replacing parts. Be aware that aftermarket modifications can sometimes interfere with the RFHUB, so consider removing any recent additions to isolate the problem.